Do not waste time at the stove. Slice peeled potatoes into thin slices and put them in a bowl. Season with salt, black pepper, sweet paprika, vegetable oil. Mix well. Place a layer of potatoes in the baking tray. Cut the chicken breast lengthwise into thin slices. Pound with a meat mallet until it becomes tender. Turn the fillet to the other side. Pound again with the mallet. Put sweet paprika in a bowl, black pepper, herbe de Provence, salt. Mix the spices. Season the chicken breast with the spice mix. Coat the fillet so it absorbs the taste and aroma of the spices better. Pour vegetable oil into the blender cup. Crack an egg. Add vinegar, garlic, mustard. Blend the sauce with the blender until it becomes creamy. Coat the fillet with the sauce. Chop parsley finely and put it in a bowl. Add cheese grated on the fine grater. Garlic. Mix well. Place the filling along the edge of the slices. Roll all the slices tightly. Place the rolls on the bed of potatoes in the tray. Sprinkle with the spice mix. Coat the rolls with the sauce and bake for 40 minutes. Sprinkle with grated cheese and bake for another 5 minutes. These chicken rolls on a bed of potatoes are a successful choice for a hearty family lunch. As good as they look and taste, they will disappear quickly from the plates.